Hi, folks.
Let us take you to a hotel that is an intuitive expression of a contemporary yet stylishly confident India.
Set in the heart of Lutyens, Delhi, near the Lodhi Gardens, the Lodhi Hotel is distinctively iconic.
So, friends, if you appreciate our videos, do like, share, and comment, and also subscribe to our channel.
So, we are at the club facilities of the Lodhi Hotel, and good morning, Bharti. Yeah, can you tell us what all facilities you're offering to your guests?
So we have got the salon this way. That's
Okay.
open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. for all
Yeah.
the guests staying in the hotel and coming from outside as well.
Okay.
Then we have got the spa, the gym, swimming pool, tennis court, squash court, all the healthcare facility on that end.
Okay.
So we have got the spa with the bed area facility.
Okay.
And it's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
The gym is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Again for the resident guests and the club members.
Okay.
And the swimming pool is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay.
And the tennis court is also open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Along with the Pilates section, the squash court facility.
Okay. So the club facilities that you said that apart from the in-house guests, you offer it to outside people also.
No, not the outside, only the club members.
Club members. Okay.
Right. So it's a annually membership that we offer.
Okay.
Which includes all these facilities in there.
Okay. Thank you, Bharti.
Thank you, sir.
Sumaya Gym at Lodhi Hotel. Can you tell us a little bit?
Yes, sure, sir. So my name is Rahul. I'm from Sumaya.
Okay.
And Sumaya is in the Lodhi Hotel.
Okay.
So the gym operation time is from 7 a.m. in the morning till
Okay.
10 at the night.
Okay.
And so if you're a room guest over here,
Okay.
so you can come at any time between 7 to 12. And for membership, they are different things.
Okay.
So if you need a personal training session over here, there is a different charge over that, excluding the membership.
Okay. You have all techno gym machines and very state-of-the-art equipment here.
Yes, sir. So we do have a different kind of equipment machine here.
Okay.
We have 4 different cross trainers over here. One
Okay.
is treadmill, one radio machine, and we have 6 techno latest edition treadmills. And
Okay.
over here we have 2 bikings and 1 go.
So we are at the Lodhi Hotel tennis courts, and this time we thought like might as well just take a break at one of the nearby places, and what better we could ask for. Lodhi Hotel is like really plush, cool, and really a cool place to just freak out. It really saves you of those terrifying traffic jams and all that. Like, guys, you bet, if you just want to go to freak out for a weekend, this is a wonderful place. So hi, we are at Elan, and we are speaking to Rajat. Rajat is the restaurant manager for Elan. So, see, you're not serving the breakfast buffet today. Okay.
The reason I need to go to soup break,
Okay.
make sure that we have good serve water.
Yeah, but that spread really looks elaborate.
We have some other good options as well. If you want to
Yeah, but I guess my hunger buds are, taste buds are like tingling, and I just can't wait to grab all that stuff. Thank you.